Hello everyone, I'm Masoud from Masoud Structural Studio. Part 1 Introduction. Create plugin in ETABS for extra control your calculation and your model. This plugin created by C#, Net Framework, and Windows Form and Visual Studio. Open Visual Studio software and then create new project and select C# Windows Form. Then you must choose project name and select your file location. We need new C# class for write code about functions whose task is to calculate formulas and algorithms based on the input data that send a response to the main class or program. In the right of the screen, in Properties, select the name and write the form name. I write strmate for this form. Add toolbox. In the left of the screen, we choose label and then change this name of this label and change text label. For example, we write desired name or email or YouTube channel on text label. I will enter my YouTube channel and Patreon channel. From left side, we select toolbox and choose tab control. And I change name of tab control and change name of tab page 1 and tab page 2, and then change size of this tab control. We select tab control and then in properties of this tab we select collection, and in collection we can change the name and text of this tab page. This is introduction of create plugin in ETABS, and this is part of 1 from this tutorial, and thanks for watching.